Hello everyone, of course this is Jack. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm based in China and there's a very few YouTubers from China. Look, there's a tower in front of me. The gate is equipped with the high-tech lock. We can call it a face recognition terminal. When a clerk in that tower shows his or her face, the gate is gonna be open automatically. But I'm not a clerk in that building. I'm just testing it. Of course, I'm not a burglar. And let's go and approach it, whether I can be recognized or not. Let's approach it. And you can look at the gate, whether the gate can be open or not. I'm going to show my face quickly. Soon. No, it's not being recognized. It's not being recognized by the lock. I'm trying it again. You can hear the signal. Just a second. No, I'm being rejected again. Wow, it's very nice. Yeah, this is really high-tech. So it's very convenient to enter the tower if you are a clerk in that building. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. By the way, look ahead. There's a monitor. So the security is pretty tight here. I don't think the theft would occur here. So it's very secure and safe. Bye-bye, everyone. Please give me a like.